Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy salt in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to open your Genshin Impact via the Epic Games launcher, and once you're in-game, search for this sack icon, which is the icon for General Goods Store. Go near it to interact with it. So to interact with the shop, press F, like so, and click on the first option. So here are all the goods you can buy from the store. As you can see, there's salt right here. So to purchase salt, click on salt first, and then on the bottom right side of your screen, you'll see an option called purchase. Click on it. As you can see, it's going to cost me 50 more to purchase this. So to go through with the purchase, click on this purchase button right here, and the item will be added to your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming